When patients come to my office, they ask me all the time, Doc, what is the best way to replace a missing tooth? So I tell them there are multiple ways to replace a missing tooth. Of course, the best and the most cost-effective and on a long run is to replace a tooth with a dental implant, which is going to look, feel, and function like a natural tooth. So, what is the best way to replace a missing tooth? The best way, like I said, is to replace it with a dental implant, which is going to mimic the tooth as closely as possible. And like I said earlier, it is going to feel and function like a natural tooth, and it is also help minimize the bone loss, and it is going to help preserve the surrounding teeth. As you might know, whenever you need to have, for example, like a dental bridge placed, you need to solder down the two adjacent teeth. With the dental implant, you don't have to do that. You can preserve the adjacent teeth, and also it improves appearance. And I normally tell my patient a dental implant can only be found through through an x-ray. So it's it is difficult for me to even sometime to look in the mouth and say which one is a dental implant. I can only find it through a dental x-ray. So it is going to be as close to a natural tooth as possible. If you can look at the picture right here, so imagine this is the tooth right there, and this is the implant. So the implant, as I said, it is going to completely mimic a tooth, so it is not even possible for somebody to look in your mouth and say which one is a tooth versus a dental implant. So on the natural tooth, you have the tooth, which is the tooth that stays on the top, and then the root that stays underneath the gum line into the bone. The same thing, a dental implant has components that stay under the gum line into the bone, and then you have a component that connects that implant to artificial tooth that is put on the implant. So again, going back to our question, what is the best way to replace a missing tooth? In the people that we work with, we always say all our patients that dental implant is the best way to replace a missing tooth.